Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your data with Apple iCloud, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your data using Apple iCloud, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Start by unlocking your device and navigating to the home screen. Open the Settings app, which is represented by a gear icon. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Next, select iCloud to access your iCloud settings. If you haven't already, sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once signed in, you'll see a list of iCloud services. Toggle on the options for the data you want to backup, such as photos, contacts, or calendars. To initiate a backup, scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure that iCloud Backup is toggled on. Then, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete, which may take some time depending on the amount of data. Once your backup is finished, you'll see the date and time of the last backup. To restore data on a new device, turn on that device and follow the setup prompts. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID to access your backups. Choose the backup you want to restore from the list displayed. Wait for the restoration process to finish, which may take some time. Once complete, your data will be available on the new device. Check to ensure that all your data has been successfully transferred. Adjust any settings as necessary to suit your preferences. You have now successfully transferred your data using Apple iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.